In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a short combination to the song A Lovely Night from the La La Land soundtrack. I hope you have a wonderful time with that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. If you want more tap dance material, be sure to stop on over at UnitedTaps.com for lessons, choreography, tap dance dictionary, and a whole lot more. All right, let's jump in. Starting with your right foot, you have step, heel, step, heel, followed by flap, ball change, flap, ball change. I'm going to do all that again. 6, ready, go, step, heel, flap, ball change, flap, ball change. From here, dig, dig, spank, step. Again, that's dig, dig, spank, step, followed by step and drag, ball change, ball change. One more time, that last part, it was drag, ball change, ball change. Let's go back and review all that from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. We did step, heel, flap, ball change, ball change, dig, dig, spank, step, drag, ball change, ball change. You bet we'll roll that again, same thing. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah, let's roll it again. Same thing. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. From here, your left foot's free. Stamp, clap, ball change, clap, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. I'm going to roll that again. 6, ready, go. Stamp, clap, ball change, clap, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Now on your right foot, stamp, clap, ball change, clap, sugar, 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 sugar. Again, that was stamp, clap, ball change, clap, sugar, 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 sugar. Excellent. Let's go from the first time we do stamp, clap, ball change, clap. That's starting on the left foot. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. Let's roll it again. Same thing. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. We're going to take it from top all the way through everything you know. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so I'm guessing if you had trouble, it was the transition from drag, ball change, into stamp, clap, ball change, clap. Let's practice that transition from that drag. 5, 6, ready, go. Drag, ball change, stamp, clap, ball change, clap. One more time, just the transition. 6, ready, go. Drag, ball change, stamp, clap, ball change, clap, and so forth. Let's take it again from the top, shall we? 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super! I'm going to go on. From here, your left foot's free. We're going to do dig, ball change, stamp. Dig, ball change, stamp. Again, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, left foot, Irish, right foot, Irish, stamp, stamp. Again, that was left foot, Irish, right foot, Irish, stamp, stamp. Let's add that on from dig, ball change, stamp with the counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 7, 8, 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. From here, your left foot's free. We're going to move to our left. Dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step. Got a nice swing rhythm going there. I'll put some counts on it. 6, ready again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. Let's add that on from our dig, ball change, stamp. 5, 6, ready, go. Dig, ball change, stamp, dig, ball change, stamp. Left foot, Irish, right foot, Irish, stamp, stamp. Dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step. Why, yes, we'll try that again. You betcha. Same thing, same spot. 5, 6, left foot leads, dig, ball change, stamp, dig, ball change, stamp. Left foot, Irish, right foot, Irish, stamp, stamp. Dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step, dig, toe step. Now our left foot's free. We're going to cross behind first. We're doing step heels in a grapevine pattern with a swing rhythm. That's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that's 7 counts of step heels. Now on the 7th one, I only do a step. I don't do the additional heel. I'm starting with my left foot crossing behind. 6. And if the arms are throwing you off, just get the footwork. Don't worry about the arms if they're throwing you off. Now if you got the footwork and you can do the arms too, great, you go for it. But don't feel like you have to. I'm going to show those step heels crossing behind, left foot lead. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Touch 8 and drag 1. Alright, so when I finished my 7 step heels, I did a touch on 8 and then I do a final drag on count 1. And congratulations, you made it to the end of the combination. That's fantastic. I'm going to roll those step heels again, starting with left foot crossing in back first. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's roll it again, maybe just a hair faster. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Super. Now I'm going to take it back to our dig, ball change, stamp, and connect it from there all the way to the end. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hey, super! If you had a rough time, no worries, that's normal. We're going to roll that all again right now. From that dig, ball change, stamp. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Excellent. Let's roll that one more time. After that, we'll go and review, hey, what was the whole first half of this combination? If you forgot, no worries. That's why I'm here. I got you covered. We're all good. So for now, though, we're just going to go from dig, ball change, stamp one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Well, that's fantastic. You got the whole second half of the dance. Let's go review what that first half was. We started with the 2 step heels. Step, heel, flap, ball change, flap, ball change. Then we did dig, dig, spank, step, drag, ball change, ball change. Let's just do that much again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. One more time, just that much. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, 8. After that we did stamp, clap, ball change, clap, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, stamp, clap, ball change, clap, sugar, 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 sugar. Yeah, I'm going to do that again. From the stamp, clap, left foot leads. 6, ready, go. Stamp, clap, ball change, clap, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, stamp, clap, ball change, clap, sugar, 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 sugar. One more time. Same spot. 6, 7, and stamp, clap, ball change, clap, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, stamp, clap, ball change, clap, sugar, 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 sugar. And that's when we transition into the second half of dig, ball change, stamp, and it's so on and so forth. So that's how they connect. I want to take it back now from the top, and we're going to go all the way through. I'm here with you the whole time, right? So I got you covered. If you forget what's happening, just follow me. It's good. From the top all the way through, you got this. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second half, go. 1, a 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 5, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1. Hey, no worries if you had some troubles. That's normal. It's the first time putting everything together. We're absolutely going to run it again right now. I'm with you. We got you covered. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, 2, a 3, 4. Here comes the second half. 1, a 3, 4, 5, a 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1. Beautiful! How about we try it with music? But before we do, if you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And take a moment to drop a comment down below. What I'd most like to hear from you is if you would like to have me create a full-length dance. We're just doing a short chunk of the song. A full-length dance, and which you can purchase at unitedtaps.com. If that's something you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. And even if that's not something you'd like to see, tell me what else you would like to see down in the comments. I'll give you a minute to drop those comments right below. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So this is from the song A Lovely Night from the La La Land soundtrack. Now there is a tap dance to this number, but it'll be way too hard for the beginner level. We're going to be starting our dance at about 40 seconds into the song. And there's not a beat leading up to it. You'll just hear the guy's voice singing here. Some other girl. All right, so you got that. Some other girls. So right when he says other girls, that's where we step down. You kind of have to just go on instinct on that. So if you're not exactly hitting it every time, don't worry, I won't be either. But once the beat kicks in, then we're good from there. So let's give it a shot. I think you can do it. Let's have a great time. Enjoy yourself. Again, I'm starting at 40 seconds into the song. Here we go. Some other girl and I would love this world and sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night. If you had some rough spots, that's normal. It's a tad faster than what we practiced, but you'll adjust very quickly. Here we go, same thing. Have some fun, put a smile on your face, you're tap dancing, that's beautiful. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This can never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
Yeah!
You see, there's nothing here.
Wonderful! Let's roll that again. I think we're having a good time. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This can never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
Nice. Beautiful. Let's roll that 2 more times. Here we go. Have fun. Don't forget to smile while you're dancing. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This can never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
You see, there's nothing here.
Beautiful. Hopefully it's going well for you. We're going to do it 1 more time. Make this your best run through yet. Here we go.
Some other girl and I would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This can never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
You see, there's
Beautiful. I'm going to do it 1 more time facing the camera. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front, if all goes well.
Some other girl and I would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This can never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
you see that.
Well, beautiful. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time learning that combination. If you did, please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you haven't already, drop a comment down below. Would you be interested in purchasing a full-length routine of that if I extended it and put it for sale at unitedtaps.com? Let me know. Or let me know what else you want to see. I'll give you a second to do that. Great, thank you. And also don't forget at unitedtaps.com we have tap lessons, and not just like 1 or 2, like huge lesson series. Beginner, we have a 12-lesson beginner series. We have a 12-lesson bonus series. Like, we have all kinds of stuff. We have across the floor combinations, a tap dictionary, practice exercises, full-length choreography, workouts. If it has to do with tap dance, we probably have it. So hop on over to unitedtaps.com to check that out. I appreciate that very much. All right, thank you so much for tapping with me again. I hope you had a wonderful time. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.